Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's tutorial, you are going to see how to lock Facebook profile on your Android. So let's head over to your Facebook application for this first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Or you can also set a hamburger menu and then head over to the settings. And if you can't find the option of locking in here, you might can find in here in the audience and visibility section, profile locking. The first one it is. Head over there. And just as you can see, there written here that only friends will see your past and future posts, photos, and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo, and people will still be able to see public posts that you are tagged in and also search for you and send a friend request. So all over we can say your profile will be totally locked from the outsiders. So just tap on lock your profile. As you can see, this layout has arrived. You locked your profile. Only friends can see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile. Tap on OK. Now you can see if I just refresh it, there is a tag, you have locked your profile. So yeah, this is how you know I have locked my profile. If I show you the other people's perspective of seeing my profile, go to this view as, and this is how you know they will just see my profile when they get to it. So as you can see, they will know that I have locked my profile. So I'm exiting this view. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.